Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to actually install Lightbox on your website. For those of you who doesn't know what Lightbox is, I'll show you what it is. You can use Lightbox to display a single image like you can see here, where you display just a single image, or you can actually use it to display an entire gallery. So you have a next button, you can go to the next image, and you can preview them, so on and so forth. So I'll show you how to do that. First, what you want to do is copy all this code in number one. Just copy it and keep it copied on your clipboard. Now go down here, click on the Lightbox, and save the zip file to wherever you want. Desktop, my documents, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to save it, I already did. Okay, I'll have this linked in the description as well, so you guys can go to the site and download all this stuff. Okay, let's minimize this. I extracted the Lightbox and put it out on your desktop wherever you want to. I have extracted this to my desktop. Double click inside. Okay, one thing I want to point out here, if you already have a website, you do not need this image folder, but what you will need inside the image folder is the close button, which is that one, the bullet, the close label, loading, next label, previous label. You'll need those, so just if you already have a images folder on your website, just drag these into the images folder. If you don't have a existing website and you create a new website, then just grab all of this. You won't have an instructions inside yours. I put this inside this folder, but just drag all this over if you create a new website. If you have an existing website, do the first step. Okay, after you drag all this over into the folder, into your folder you're going to create your website, I'm going to go over in Dreamweaver here, and I'm going to design view. Now I created an index.html file, which I'm going to use to insert the images that I want, and to show you guys how to install this. But first thing, what you want to do, I already paste mine as well, inside your head tag, which your head tag starts here and ends here. So below your title tag, just hit enter once and paste the code that you copy from the website right here. So I already pasted it in here, so it's right there. Cool. Let's go back to design view. Now I'm going to grab the images that I want, my thumbnails actually. First I'm going to grab, for your site you might want to put alternative text and all that crap. I don't want that because I'm just doing a tutorial. And grab another one out here. I'm going to do 4. Actually, I'm just going to do 3. Okay, now that we have the images that we want out here in this file, we're going to link them to their larger image. So down here where it says link, all you got to do is click on here and drag it to the larger image that you want, or if you know that the path or where the image is stored, you can just type it in. So like I know mine is in my images folder, so I just type images / and I know this is a 1.jpg, so you can link it that way. And my border I'm gonna set to 0. Okay, my other one I'm just gonna do the same thing. My border as well as 0. For the third one, I'm just gonna show you how to link it by just dragging it over. So just drag it over to the image and it will link it. And I'm gonna do 0 here. Okay, so now that they're linked, click on the first one, go inside code view. Inside your code view, where it says whatever, when it says your images that you link to right here, after your .jpg or .png, whatever you type of image you have, go space. You want to go rel, and inside rel equals quotation, and inside those quotation type Lightbox. Okay, after you type Lightbox, let's go to design view, save this, and show you what we actually did. There we go. That is what we just created. We tell it, okay, when I click on this image, and when we type Lightbox, what we tell the browser to do when I click on the image, you want to call the Lightbox code in to play. You want to make Lightbox display your image and not just pops up in your window. Okay, let's close this and go back to Dreamweaver. And I'm going to go inside code view. Now if you realize, I'm just going to copy these and paste them to the other links as well. Whoops, my bad. I'm going to copy this and paste it out to into the other link that we have. So after the JPEG, space, then you put the code in. I'm just going to get rid of this last link because it's broken and I don't want to deal with it. Okay, now to make this display as you can see a while ago we had one image, but now we have two, and let's say we want to turn this into a gallery. All you gotta do is do the bracket, and you got to specify a group. I'm gonna call this group 2 and bracket again, and at the end of the Lightbox, right where the X is, you type that in to, whoops, wrong one, whoops, what am I doing here? My mouse pointer is jumping all over the place here. Let's delete that. There we go. So what we tell Lightbox is that this is part of a group, and the group is group 2. So when you open one image, give me options to scroll through them all. That's what you tell Lightbox to do right here. So let's save this and preview this out again. For some reason I got one image. I don't know why it's doing that. I see. I need to put a quote here. I missed that. Okay, let's save this and preview out again. Come on, save. And preview in Google Chrome again. Now we have two images. So when you click on this and it comes in, if you put your mouse on it, it gives you option to skip to the next one. And so on and so forth. And you can go back and forth. So if you have multiple images, all you got to do is keep adding the code into all the images that you link, and it will scroll through as a gallery. So one other cool thing I want to show you how to do here, which Lightbox explains it all, and the reason I go back to this so you can see that Lightbox explain everything that you need to do here. And so just go here, and this is the code which is in part 2 line 1 that Lightbox explain what I'm about to show you. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay, after Lightbox, do space title IT. So you do a title, so it displays a name for the image, and let's say the title of this image is whatever. I'm just gonna title like that. Save all. So you can add titles. Preview in Chrome again, and if I click on this image, see it shows whatever right here, because that's what I did. I just said whatever. So you can name these, you can give them titles as well. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and come back again as I'm making more tutorials. Bye.